Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at a preposition, a réamhfocal, which tells us where a word is. So the réamhfocal we're looking at today is egg, which roughly translates to ash. But it's very important to note that there is often no direct translation between English and Irish. So on réamhfocal, egg, a gum, at me, a gut, at you, a get, at him, it, a key, at her, a gwyn, at us, a gwiv, at ye, you plural, a coo, at them. When do we use egg? So we mainly use egg for possession. Tá cóta ag Paul. Paul has a coat. Níl teach ag Shifra. Shifra doesn't have a house. Bhí bruntanas a key. She had a present. Beg car nua acu. They will have a new car. So we use egg to basically say have. So real beag, a little rule. So if you're ever using the phrase egg on, which translates to atta, it's important to add an uru and refer back to video 5 of your urus, just to recap. So for example, at the table, egg on mord, you're adding in an M before the B. At the window, egg on bhuineog, you're adding in the BH before the F. Now, don't forget the rule about the dentals. So when DNTLS meet, you don't put in an uru. So for example, egg on durus. Because you have an N in on and the D in durus, it doesn't take an uru.
Agus sin é.